guys, I'm in Norisake and I'm having lunch by myself because Mikay is having lunch in Mang Inasal. Hindi same ang aming cravings. I'm eating baked sushi. Sa 320 to. This is so good. Mm. I also got free matcha from Maru Matcha from Portavaga. I got one whole thing for free because I'm one of the first 30 customers. So this is just matcha latte and they also sell powder. Maybe next time I'm gonna try their powder also. I think it's good. I like the taste sa siyang seaweed. I would like it more if there was more sweetener, but it's good na. And also, do you see how oily my hair is? Guys, I'm gonna get a haircut. I'm gonna get my bangs cut again because humaba na yung old bangs ko. So, medyo weird siya. And I always just put it in a clip and then I don't like anymore yung itsura niya pag naka-clip. It's like the same hairstyle I've had since pandemic. I'm kind of sick of it right now, so I'm gonna get bangs again. But anyway, I'm just gonna eat now. Hindi ko na nadala yung Kindle ko, but I really wanted to read. Buti meron akong Kindle sa phone, and my current read is Big Swiss. I think WLW na naman to. I don't know. I'm still on the first 10 pages, but so far I'm liking it. Isn't the cover so nice? The first WLW na nabasa ko was Perfume and Pain, and I really like that one, so I hope I also really like this one. This is my new hair, my new bangs. Is it weird? Tapos na kami mag-grocery. We're just falling in line. It's so overwhelming mag-grocery. Kasi isa lang yung pinakamalaking grocery dito. I think it's this one. So overwhelming. Sobrang daming tao. Hindi kasi kami dito usually nag-grocery sa Save More. But then, hindi namin nagustuhan yung meat na binili namin sa Save More last time. That's why we're buying here na. Not a complaint, just to share. Bumili kami ng mga things na hindi namin binibili before. Like, Parmesan cheese. Kasi gagawa tayo ng Caesar salad dressing. We also bought this. How many years ko nang gusto to bilhin but I just never buy it. So, let's just buy it now. Also, I made coffee in this tumbler. Ang sarap! The next thing we're gonna do is pumunta sa healthy options. Kailangan natin bumili ng Greek yogurt. And also, guys, what do you think about melatonin? Pangit na ng sleeping schedule namin.
Studies about melatonin
Okay. Just me. Sabi tayo kanina, nabibili tayo. Sabi mo, okay. So now,
Akala ko yung Greek yogurt.
I've never mentioned Greek yogurt until now.
Love, nakaka-depress ka.
I'm gonna do my research muna sa TikTok University. Saka ako isipin kung bibili ako. Hi guys, we're in the car right now. Because Mikay bought me Caesar salad wrap sa Topshop sa may Caltex. Guys, I'm so tired. We're both so tired. Siguro sa dami ng tao, sa init, and sa dami ng kailangan natin gawin today. We're gonna go now to Pool A, and then we're gonna go to the Korean store. We're gonna go home, feed the dogs, go out again to gala the dogs because it's a Saturday and they already know Saturday is gala day. And also, what do you think about my bangs? Usually when I get bangs, I don't like it the first day. But at least I don't have to worry about my hair being oily. The reason why I really wanted to get a haircut today was so that they could wash my hair kasi ang oily ng hair ko. And when my hair is oily, I'm just not gonna feel good about my day. Also guys, we're listening to this podcast. Ito yung nire-listen namin na podcast since last week. Got it! Another thing we're gonna do is go to Pet Habitat to get dog food. So we returned the food that we bought last Monday because we know the smell of the food. It's different. Sabi nung supplier, ganyan talaga yung smell. So maybe nag-change sila ng formula ng food nila, but this is gonna be the last time that we're gonna buy from there. And the only reason why we're gonna go back because we returned the items and they're not gonna give us a refund, so we have to get our refund in terms of items. Guys, we got street food!
Sarap talaga! Isaw.
Anong sauce ba ito? Hindi siya typical manong sauce, pero ang sarap. Kaya na lang to. Gabi.
Ito ang sarap. Ang nipis kasi ng butter siya ganun. Pag sa night market ka bumili, hindi mo na malalasaan yung isa kapal. Perta. Nipis lang.
So, nagme-meal prep na tayo for the week. week/month or kung gaano katagal, that's already the grocery for one whole month. So our challenge for ourselves is to have a no spend month. So we can't eat out or buy any food outside if it's not groceries. Plus, punta pa kami sa AAA and Korean store because we couldn't tonight. Pagod. But if we're gonna buy Food Panda or eat outside or buy drinks outside, that's not allowed in our no spend month. 3 weeks. No spend 3 weeks because we're gonna go sa Manila for 1 week towards the end of this month. So that's not included. While we're here, dapat dito lang sa bahay. I mentioned kanina that I wanted melatonin, pero wag na lang. It's a little expensive. Let's just close your eyes and try to sleep naturally. I'm done na making matcha and nakalahati ko na. Nakaya is still cooking bulalo. And then later, I'm gonna meal prep chicken poppers. So yung chicken poppers, we can put salted egg powder, we can put honey butter sauce. We can also put, ano pa pwede lagay? Gravy, honey mustard. We have a lot of sauces prepared. Also gochujang. Hindi talaga kami mauubusan ng ideas this month, hopefully. Because bawal na talaga kumain sa labas. Okay, bye guys. Good night. We still have a long night ahead of us.